Okay, this is an important thing to know. What happened was when we downloaded these logos, they went here in the downloads folder. Well, we didn't want a bunch of stuff accidentally deleted, so we moved it to this folder. So all these files are in the do not delete folder now. So now we have to reconnect it because the editing software doesn't know where they went. Originally it was in download C. So we need to help it find it so that our timeline doesn't get messed up. So I'm gonna click locate and I'm gonna go to that folder that we titled do not delete. This is very hard to do. Okay, so we're trying to locate the file named cc black-logo-web png. So let's look on here, see if we can find that. cc-logo-web.png. That's not it, because that has a white background. Test CC. Y'all probably saw it already. Well, maybe that is it. We'll see if it works. Ah, it worked. So that was the right one. So did you notice I only had to reconnect one because they were all in the same spot? So when I reconnected one, the computer or the editing system already knew, oh, I should look inside there for the other files, and it did. So instead of having to reconnect one at a time for all those, if it just did it on its own because it's super smart. But the way to avoid that is when you download something, you should always go ahead and put it in the do not delete folder, no matter what, and then import it. So I've already done that with the video that Katie, or the new logo that Katie sent me, so it's already in the correct folder, but just thought that would be important for you guys to learn how to do.